the fog lights have been installed, and firstly I wanted to show you the illumination of the stock headlight. Right now the DRLs are on, and I'm gonna activate the low beam. So this is the brightness of the low beam, and I've got switches right here for the fog lights. Now this is the switch for the low beam, and the one above is the switch for high beam. It looks pretty neat. Now I'm going to turn on the low beam of the fog light, and you can see right here it's much brighter than the stock headlights, and even the sides are better illuminated. And this is the high beam. This costed me 16,000 rupees, and if you're someone like me who drives a lot on guard roads or on the highways, then you can try this product. And if you're someone considering the stock fog lights from Nexa, please don't get it. It's not a good product. It doesn't improve the illumination. There's no difference in visibility, and a lot of people that I know who've installed the stock fog lights aren't happy, and they had to eventually replace the LEDs with an aftermarket LED projectors like this one.